Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Jovin Mardalena Poma. I am a second semester at the Universitas Jasraya in the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, majoring of English Education. Today, I am going to practice word pronunciation to fulfill an assignment for the pronunciation practice course entitled Nias People. I hope you enjoy it and please don't get bored to watching until the end. Let's begin the pronunciation practice. Nias people. Nias people are an ethnic group native to Nias, an island of the west coast of North Sumatra, Indonesia. In the Nias language, the Nias people are known as Ononiha, which literally means descendants of human. Nias Island is known as Tanah Niha, with Tanah meaning land in the Nias language. The Nias people are a community that continues living within the norms and practice of their indigenous culture. Customary law of the Nias people is generally referred to as Fondrake, which regulates all aspects of life from birth to death. Historical evidence of megalithic structure and stone carvings that are found in the interior of the island prove that ancient Nias people practiced megalith culture. The caste system is also recognized in Nias society, whereby the highest level out of the 12 levels in the Nias caste system is Balugu. In order to reach this level of the caste, one must be able to carry out big festival by inviting thousands of people and slaughtering thousands of pigs for several days. According to the people of Nias, one of the mythical origins of Nias tribe comes from a tree of life called Tora Sigarua, which is located at the place called Teteheli Anaa. According to the myth, it is said that the arrival of the first human on Nias Island began in the days of King Sirao, whose 9 sons had been banished out of Teteheli Anaa for fighting over the throne. Hence, the 9 sons of King Sirao were considered as the first people to set foot on the island of Nias. Archaeological research has been conducted on Nias Island since 1999. The observation found that there has been human habitation on Nias Island since 12,000 years ago through migration from Asia to Nias Island during the Paleolithic period. In fact, there are indications of migration as far as 30,000 years ago. During that period, the Hoa Binh Vietnam civilization was similar to that in Nias Island. Therefore, it was presumed that the origins of the Nias people came from an area in mainland Asia that is in modern-day Vietnam. New genetic research has found that the Nias people of North Sumatra came from the Austronesian peoples. The ancestors of the Nias people are also thought to have come from Taiwan through the Philippines 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. 10 years of researching involving blood samples of 440 Nias people in 11 villages in Nias Island showed the Y chromosome and the Ni mitochondria of the Nias people are very similar to the Taiwanese Aborigines and Filipino peoples. The observation has also found that the genes in today's Nias people no longer carry any trace of the ancient Nias people as of those whose remains were found in the Tegindrawa Cave, Central Nias. Archaeological findings of the stone tools found showed that the humans lived in the cave over 12,000 years ago. The genetic diversity of the Nias people is very low compared to other groups of people, especially with regard to the Y chromosome. This indicates that there was once a bottleneck population in the past history of Nias. Studies have also found that the Nias people do not share any genes with ethnicities living in the Andaman Nicobar Island in the Indian Ocean, which are geographically considered as neighbors. Although it is known that there was a migration of the Austronesian peoples between Taiwan and the Indonesian archipelago, including Nias, it is still uncertain if the migration started from Taiwan to Nias or vice versa. Gowi Nihandro or Gowi Nitutu, Pandet Cassava, Harinake minced pork, Godo-godo shredded cassava shaped into balls for boiling and later with added coconut flakes. Keve-keve, minced fish meat shaped into balls to be dried or smoked. Nioburu, salted pork for longer storage. Retigae fried bananas, tambaya ketupat, lemah-lemang, gai niboga grilled bananas, kazimone made of sago, wabayase glutinous rice, gulo-gulo faro candy made from distilled coconut milk, bato compressed crab meat shaped into balls for longer storage as found on Hinako Islands. Nami salted crab eggs for longer storage, sometimes for months, depending on the quantity of salt used. Tuonifaro palm wine. Tuombanua raw palm wine with added laru roots of various plants to give a certain amount of alcohol. Clothing and ornaments. The kalabubu is traditionally only worn by those who already perform the headhunting activities. Fondruru, men's earring made of precious metal. Kalabubu, also known as the headhunter's necklace. Nifatalitali, a necklace of precious metal. Nifato-fato, a man's necklace of precious metal. Suahu, a comb of wood or precious metal. Traditional proverb. Hula nifemangamao ihenezinga. Like a cat that eats, starting from the side. When doing something, start from the easiest to the difficult. Hulelaiwa nidana baifuli fahaluhalu. Just like chopping the water, it will still remain something that is inseparable. Abaka zoko safuria morebaziofena. The wound is more severe at the later stage than the beginning. A course of action can be felt the most towards the end. Other traditional practice. Nias men taking part in Fahombo. Fahombo, leaping over the rock. Fatele or Faluya or Faluaya, war dance. Maina, group dance. Tarimoyo, igloo dance. Tarimogale, Fangovai, welcoming of guest dance. Fame ononihale, weddings. Omohada, traditional house. Fame eto inononihale, given name of a married woman. Facese level bamboo competition among young men to test one's strength. Deadline. Deterioration in Nyanza culture began to occur since the end of the 19th century. Missionary works had contributed to the decline of original Nias culture. Evangelization in Nias, such as those performed by the German Protestant Rhenish Missionary Society, had been responsible to the discretion of Niasan wooden statues as well the suppression of the unique culture of Nia society, e.g. ancestor worship, magical practice, the Ovasa festival, nobleman rank elevation festivals, headhunting and slave trading. However, since 1955, conservation of the traditional culture of the Ononiha has improved tremendously by the Roman Catholic Church through cultural integration into liturgy, architecture, and art. Okay, thank you for watching my pronunciation practice video entitled Nias People. If you enjoyed this video, please support it by liking, commenting, and sharing. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and have a nice day.